Hey people, good day. This is your host Jahidul and welcome to you Digital Insight. Today we'll learn how to add text on AutoCAD. Okay, while you open your AutoCAD, you can see in home menu there is option is text. You can see here is home menu and inside the home menu there is option is text. So as you can see, I'm click on the text option. I'm clicking on text option. Okay, there is multi-line text and single line text. Most of the time you can use multi-line text, is very easier to work, but if you need to work with single line text, that also need to be, that's also I'm showing to you. So at first, while you are using single line text, you can click on the text and write a horizontal line. Okay, this is the horizontal line. Okay, and you can write your text here. Okay, so this text is not, if you think this text is not like similar as like your drawing, or if you think it's a increase or reduced version, that time you just type on D, enter, and as you can see modify, here is option is text, right? So click on text, and there is three dot menu. You can see three dot menu, right? So click on three dot menu, don't touch other option. What is the have there is okay, but you just click on only three dot menu, and you can see there is lots of text option. So I'll be using one. So there is Bardana, which is uh, very useful in architectural drawing and is given vibe on architectural work. So I choose Bardana, and height will I given 10 inches. Okay, and apply, close. Okay, set current and close. Now if I am click on text single line, and it will only come 10 inches. Okay, so as you can see, so this way you can use single line text, right? Now I will show you double line text. There is multi-line text, you can click like that, there is scale will appear, right? Then you can write your text, then if you wish to use it one line, you can use it one line, or if you wanted to use more like a paragraph, you can use it like a paragraph. So if you have not found this text option for single line, you just type text text. Okay, or for double line mtext. I'll show you also a bit in AutoCAD. There is text, text will appear, and you can see is here. So you can type your text. For double line, cancel at first for double line M T E X T. So this is multi-line text and you can this text here. Okay, so that's all about text for the beginner, how to add text in AutoCAD. So video, if you think this video is helpful to you, please do subscribe my channel, or if you already subscribed, then thank you so much. Hope so we'll meet another new video. Until then, tata, bye bye.